IP House by Terra Arquitetura in São Roque, Brazil. Located in a gated community in São Roque, interior of São Paulo. A guest house was designed on this plot of land for a family of 6 people who were expanding, with the birth of 2 new members. The main house, built in the mid-1980s, occupied a large portion of the site, and the clients wanted to build a second space next to the residence to accommodate the family and friends. In this privileged location, amidst dense vegetation and with a view of a valley. The premise of this project was to build a single-story house, with 3 suites, a TV room, and an outdoor space for sports activities. One of the biggest challenges was to connect the new building with the old one, bringing the same rustic and cozy language, with contemporary architecture and materials. Thus, a residence was designed in which all environments had a view of the garden and the valley, except for the bathrooms, which were on the opposite facade, for privacy. One of the main points of the architectural concept is the wooden structure, in evidence, like a visible skeleton of the project. The marking of the beams on the ceiling intentionally created movement in the roof, present in the interior and exterior areas. In addition, there was a search for the insertion of natural materials, such as ceramic, stone, and wood. The flooring throughout the interior of the project is a ceramic brick that, when installed, presents a variation in its tonality and an organic appearance. The colder concrete floor in the external area contrasts with the brick and the tawari wood, used in the structure and carpentry. Being a space with a cleaner architecture, without a large number of elements, it was very important to execute carpentry that added to the final product, with details that deviate from the ordinary, such as slats, corten steel handles, and designed grooves. This same corten steel connects with a large part of the metals present in the wet areas of the project, aiming to bring a more rustic appearance, alongside white Etana's granite countertops. Finally, landscaping from end to end on the entire rear facade of the guesthouse brings, in addition to privacy, a natural green color and nature inside the environment, surrounded by vegetation.